What's up, you guys? So I just thought I should do a review on all the pairs that we did on TradingView. So the first pair that we did was Aussie, uh, it's pound Aussie. So what was supposed to happen is price was supposed to follow this small descending channel that you see to build momentum, then we can actually move to the upside. But what happened is price just shoot up from this point that it is, then we just went up straight. So as you can see, so like last Sunday we did like a Sunday breakdown, and I was like, what's gonna happen is, so I drew a small triangle over here. So the top was this and the bottom was this, and I was like, price was just gonna continue to the upside, and if you want to buy you could have just bought and just put your stop loss at the end that we were supposed to enter. Then this happened, and if you watch the Sunday breakdown you can see what I was explaining. So this happened, so we only left with a little bit of movement to the upside, then we can actually take profit. So if you watch the Sunday breakdown, you like I have the overall view. So price is supposed to move to the downside. So I think price is gonna hit from this area going back to the downside. So I'm just gonna do another Sunday breakdown tomorrow, so you can see how pound Aussie is gonna be looking like. Second pair is gonna be euro pound. So euro pound, the first analysis was price was supposed to move to the upside, this blue line, then come back, consolidate, then continue downside. So the first pair, the first position we couldn't take it because like price was already moving down, and I actually explained it on the video fundamentals versus technicals. So we took the second trade on the consolidation, then we continued downside. So I'm just gonna give you a picture of like what happened, and I'm gonna put another picture of where we ended. So consultation happened. So this is a daily time frame, and I can't zoom it in to go to a lower time frame because this analysis is already done. So what I can only do is to play. So I'll play. So this is where we ended. We took the take profit over here because I was expecting another consolidation here. Then we continued downside. So this consolidation was supposed to take like 2 days, but instead from like end of Thursday, Friday, price started going back to the upside. So this trade I didn't take it because I knew that price was gonna consolidate, then continue. So like I'll zoom it in for you on a separate time frame, then you can see what I'm talking about. So like price has already reached its peak. So Monday guys, again we're gonna sell, and if you just prepare for a Sunday breakdown, then you can see what I'm talking about again. That pair is gonna be Euro Kiwi. Euro Kiwi was amazing. So this descending channel, so I always explain, and I actually explained it. So I'm just gonna put a link on the bio for the market structure episode 1, and you can see what I'll be talking about when I say the market structure type 1. So this is our market structure type 1. When you have a descending channel towards a resistance, so this was the resistance, then descending channel, prices do shoot up. So if this ascending channel, resistance, price shoot down. So that's just the market structures that we normally trade. So as you can see, our stop loss was here, it wasn't hit. So as you can see, I could have extended my descending channel to here, then it should up. So this is a 4 hour time frame. As you can see, price what happened straight to a take profit tab, and now we're actually preparing to go down. So overall, price is actually going down. So right now we're gonna be preparing to sell. As you can see, there is sort of like a ascending channel here. So this is the resistance that we have. So a small ascending channel. If you check on a 30 minutes time frame, you see this is a ascending channel here. So that's pretty much it for Kiwi. So another take profit hit. The next phase is gonna be Euro USD. Euro USD was forming a nice structure. Like even if you checked the bigger time frame, so the daily time frame, the 1 hour time frame, like everything was on point. So here, if you were someone who like knows the market structure, you could have taken like much more uh much more volume on this trade. So what happened? We had this consolidation on the trend line. So this is our trend line. Then we had this consolidation. Instead of price bouncing back to the upside, it started consolidating. We had it also on a smaller time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 30 minutes time frame, and look what happened. Price started falling down. So like we still have like more time to go to the downside, like, but now we have to look for another entry. So like if you're someone who take like multiple trades, so your first trade will be here, second trade will be somewhere from this area going to the downside. So our target was like 1.34%, so it wasn't really much, but it was okay because it's actually 1 hour time frame, but it still was okay. Like with confidence, like you know that you're actually trading one of the market structures that you know, and like you will be confident, building confidence with market structure, knowing your market structure. So this is one of the market structure that you should be familiar with. Next up, USD CAD. So USD CAD, uh, USD CAD was something else. So like the first trade was correct, so like only up to this area. So when I started seeing this consolidation, if you see this consolidation over here, so the consolidation price was about to move to the outside, you see the second analysis that I did on USD CAD, and I was like prepare for an upside movement. So you see over here, after I saw this consolidation, just wait. After I saw this consolidation, I changed my market structure. This is a change of market structure. Instead of price moving to the downside, consolidation just shows you that price is building momentum to go to the upside. After you had like four touches over here, this is supposed to be just a smooth touch. Then we go back to the downside. You'll see what happened is instead of price going to the downside again, so this consultation showed up and now coming to test and continue to the upside. So our highest like the next target is supposed to be around this area, but I took it on I will take it on this area, of course. So this was just a retest from this area coming back to the downside retest, and we have to go back to the upside again. um so that was it for USD CAD. Just gonna continue again. Euro USD, I mean Aussie USD. Aussie USD was phenomenal. Like what I said, guys, as in channel towards the resistance. You look what happened. This is the resistance that we have. As in the channel, the red resistance got broken. The purple didn't. Tested, then went to the downside. Had a little bit consolidation over this area here, as you can see here. Consolidation, move to the downside. My target was supposed to only to here, but I could have continued when I saw this consolidation. If you go to a more smaller time frame, you can see the consolidation, then you can actually take another trade to the next resistance. There was next resistance and price actually targeted there. So that was pretty much it. But I mean, I was enough with this, of course. So my target was like 1.1%. It was fine. So that was pretty much it. So like on Friday I had to post this again, and so for anyone who missed like the chance of taking the trade from here, after price actually broke above here, you could have taken again. So from here, as you can see, this was some more small penny triangle. You see what happens. Price, boom, actually shoot up, came back to retest. So this is our one of the major resistance that we have. So I can actually draw it as this. So the lower part, the highest that you can from this triangle consolidation over here, then price has to move to the upside. So our target, like from this area, not the first one that we had. So like we had first entry for USD CAD, second entry for USD CAD. So you have to involve with the market. So quick tip, guys, as you can see, like I didn't win all my trades. Gold USD I actually lost on that one, and like some of them they were actually slow. Euro USD, you see, like it actually came back up. GBP, what else did I lose? I mean that was pretty much it. So you see, like some of the pairs only lost one, but like my the market structure that I trade, um, they really don't disappoint me that much. But like I have to take losses sometimes, so you just have to make sure that your wins are more than your losses, and make sure that you take only the trade that you know. Ask good questions when you're about to take trades.